Breathe in. Breathe out. Nice. We'll flex this table a little bit because he likes to be a little stubborn. Go just to open that wedge up the table. Just presetting this vertebra soft tissue so it's stretched, easier to move. You all right, Gary?
Yeah.
Again, we're just opening that wedge up. People watching don't know that I hurt my shoulder, but I guess they do now, so.
Only when you complain about it.
I wasn't complaining, I was stating a fact. Maybe lay on your side facing me. We'll do this side first, kind of loosen it up, and then we'll get that right side, okay? Yeah, I'm not adjusting your pants, Gary. We have this leg on up here. Push your knee up against me. Push up with that leg. There you go. And stop. Now push your knee down.